this over here is your living and dining area. Entrance to your kitchen, where you will be getting two parallel platforms, and this over here is the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Sky Green at Sangvi S3 EcoCity by Sangvi S3 Group, located in Mira Road. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. Behind me, you can see the actual towers where the construction is in full swing. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing sites where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across 13 acres of land parcel that will have total of 5 towers. And now talking about tower Sky Green, it will be elevated to ground plus 3 podium plus 49 residential floors, having 1 BHK, 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with infinity swimming pool, gym, multi-purpose court, kids play area, mini theatre, banquet hall, garden, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Mahajanwadi, Mira Road, from where upcoming metro is at distance of 3 minutes walk, Western Express Highway is at distance of 1 minute, and you have Mira Road railway station at distance of 10 minutes. And now we are entering the 2 BHK of the residential project Sky Green at Sangvi S3 EcoCity. As we enter, you can see this over here is your living and dining area. You can see your living is very spacious. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. Also, you can have a look at your living where you can place your sofa, center table and customize your TV unit. You will also be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables, tea chairs or your swings. Also, let me tell you that we are standing at the actual tower of the project and this is the actual flat, and you can also have a look at the actual views from the project. Moving forward, this over here can be your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your family. Over here we have your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms, kitchen and common washroom. First over here in this corner we have the entrance to your kitchen where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can customize the lower and upper cabinets. You can see your kitchen is very spacious. You also have space provided to place your refrigerator, and in the kitchen you will be getting full French doors with an attached dryer area where you can place your washing machine. And now as we move forward, diagonally opposite to your kitchen is the entrance of a common bedroom. As we enter, you can see this over here is the space of your common bedroom where you can place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can also have a look. You will be getting half French windows with glass facade for safety and beautiful standing balcony views. You have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. Your wardrobe space provided is also very spacious, and you can also build lofts if you wish to. As we move forward, as we exit from this common bedroom, right on the right side, we have the entrance to your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, you have storage space provided in the common washroom where you can also place your water tanks. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including down payment and EMI plans, And then if you like the project, you can book your own free site visit by clicking on the link mentioned in the caption below. And now let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you will get a spacious foyer area that gives your bedroom privacy, and towards the left of the entrance is the entrance of a private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom. You can see you can place a king size bed along with your side tables. You have plenty of walkable space. You can customize your TV unit in this corner. You can customize your wardrobe. Your wardrobe space provided is very spacious. You can also build lofts, and again you will be getting half French windows with glass facade to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. And the best part about the master bedroom is that you have two side ventilation. You also have a balcony over here in this corner, and you can have a look how beautiful your view is from your master bedroom. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Sky Green. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Sky Green at Sangvi S3 Eco City by Sangvi S3 Group located in Mira Road.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.